my channel. This is going to be a process video for Spiegel Mom Scraps, where if you use my code Miranda15 to get 15% off of any of the collections. And this is going to be a little bit of a sneak peek of one of the collections for August, which is called Sweet Joy. Now, Sweet Joy has some gold, some blues, some peaches, all of that. And the collection that I'm using is one of the collections that I got from... It had to have been the scrap room just because of what I had. And it's the Joyous collection from Paige Evans. And I could tell that it had to have been one of theirs, but I don't know when this one was released because for some reason I didn't keep the paper. But anyway, I am just going through and I am going to do one of my sketches from my first sketchbook. All of that will be linked down below along with Spiegel Mom Scraps, just to let you know. And I am going to be pretty much following it. But if you're wanting to see what the sketches are and all of that, you just have to go in and purchase it. That's down below. And then make sure that you go check out Spiegel Mom Scraps. The pre-order for August is already there and ready to roll. They're amazing. You've got to check them out if you want them all together. Otherwise, go and shop everything and use my code Miranda15 to get 15% off of your purchase. Now, what I am doing here is I am going to take 3 of the little banner pieces that come in. 2 of them are from the sticker pack that I got, and then the other one is a banner strip. The banner strip, I let it run all the way across the page. I don't cut it down. And then the other 2 are just a little bit shy of what I cut off, so it works out really well. I am going to use the papers that you see here are the last of what I have of this collection, or like what I've used because I used a full page on my background. And I'm going to back it twice, once with this pink color and then once with the diagonal ones, because it works out with what I'm going to do for embellishments. Now, this is of my daughter's 5th grade graduation. They do in our school district anyway, or at least at our school, we have honors day every year. And as long as you have an honor, an honor of some sort, you're going to get an award. You get an invitation from us. And I absolutely love that idea because at the end of the day, if you didn't do well in school, then no honors, right? That's just my choice. It is what it is. So obviously my daughter got an iReady award this year because this is 5th grade. So she got an iReady award for reading, and then she ended up getting AB honor roll as well. Now, because she is special education, typically she doesn't get all of the fun stuff, like highest awards and all that, but as long as she knows, in my household, it is very much that if you want to play sports and you want to do all the extracurricular activities, you want to have cell phones, all of that, you have to have grades. Your grades have to be 1,000% an A or B. I don't cut C's. C and below is a D in my household. It's been something that I have accumulated for both my children. I hold school very important, and so this is her day to celebrate that she got those 2 awards. So enough about the photos. Now I am just going to put 2 titles. There's 2 titles that are on the sketch, so I'm going to put congratulations, and then the other one is you did it. I feel that works out really well for what I am doing here and how I am breaking up this page into like 2 sections, but bringing it together. I kind of did like a 4x4 quadrant, splitting it in half by 6 by 12 with having 2 6x12 sections. But it all comes together because all of the space that you see that is like what you want to consider white space, where all that blue is at, that is how I'm going to bring in my sequence. So I'm just going to take some little bits and bobs off of the sticker, and then I did do a bunch of fussy cutting off camera. That's how I got the flowers that went around. One of the pattern papers actually had wreaths of flowers going in like different circles. So I took the one that I felt would work the best with these two photos and placed half of it on one side, half on the other. And I only did half of the circle. So I kind of split it in half. So I really like how that worked out for me and how this layout turned out really well. Now here I am with the sequence. This is the sequence that's called Sweet Joy. It will be released in July, on July 1st, or I mean not July, August 1st. And since we are super close to it, we're only a couple days off, you can go in and pre-order it for Spiegel Mom Scraps. Get it so that when August 1st comes around, they will ship right away to you, or, you know, close to it. If nothing else, make sure that you use my code Miranda15 to get 15% off. Now, I do some splattering of the sequence, like I love to do. That's in those two sections where the titles are at. Then all of the other ones, you are going to watch me dot first, then put the colors down, because I kind of wanted to stagger them. I wanted them all on this photo in two different spots. One like just sporadically there, and then the other one very strategic. And that's how I was able to achieve the way the layout ends when you see it at the end of the video. I do also come in with some splatters too, because I wanted to add a little bit more gold. Since there is gold within the title of congratulations up top, and some of the white stickers that I pulled off of the part of the 6x12 sticker pad. I only got one section of it, so I only got a 6x12 section. But I'm just placing these down in just little spots. You saw that I just put a little bit of glue down. I do have, it's called a jewel picker. That's what I use. Just look it up in Amazon and get the one you kind of want. That's what I use for my sequence. If you're new and you're not sure. If you are new to my channel, make sure that you like and subscribe. If you are coming from Spiegel Mom Scraps, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. Vice versa. We're going to round out at the end here. If you have not subscribed to either of the channels, either my channel or of Spiegel Mom Scraps, make sure that you do so. Do all the YouTube-y stuff. Still shots are here. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.